Tanabata, the Weaving Princess and the Cowherd. Have you heard of the Tanabata Star Festival? Tanabata means the 7th day of the 7th month of the lunar calendar. In Japan, children celebrate Tanabata by decorating bamboo branches with strips of colorful paper. On these paper ornaments, they write their special wishes. It is a sort of wish upon a star festival. Let us show you what it is about and how it all started. In the clear summer night, you may be able to see the Milky Way, which is formed by billions and billions of stars. It looks like a shiny river running across the sky. On one side of the Milky Way, you will notice a beautiful, bright star named Vega. And on the other side of the river, there is another bright star named Altair. In the Orient, people's imagination created a love story about these two stars separated by a river. Vega as a princess and Altair as a young flute player. And now, here is where the story begins. A long, long time ago, there was a princess who was an excellent weaver. She had a lovely voice, too, and she used to sing as she wove beautiful cloths. The king was very proud of the magnificent cloths that the princess wove. People called her the Weaving Princess.
How's my princess this morning?
Good morning, Father.
When I heard your singing, I couldn't help but come to see you. I suppose you're weaving as usual.
Yes, Father. I've been working on a new piece and trying different colors. Here, look, Father.
I love it. It's beautiful. But don't work too hard, dear. You take it easy.
Thank you, Father. I will.
Very well, then. I will see you later.
Good day, Princess. How have you been?
Oh, Magpie, you've come back. How good to see you again.
Magpie patrolled the kingdom and came back every summer to report to the king. He always visited the princess and told her stories of his patrol.
I'm so happy to see you too, Princess. You look wonderful, and I could hear you sing from all the way outside the city.
Oh, how funny. Only you have such good hearing. But tell me then, who is it that plays the flute so beautifully? I often hear it coming from somewhere outside the castle when I'm singing.
Oh, that. I believe it's Kangyu, a young man who plays the flute.
What kind of a man is this Mr. Kangyu?
He is a cowherd who takes care of the king's flock.
A cowherd? Well, but he sure is a fine musician. He plays in such pure, sweet tones that really touches your heart.
Touches whose heart? Well, yes, everybody in town loves his music.
The more she heard about this young man, the more curious the princess became. She couldn't stop thinking about him.
Oh, it was this morning, too, that I heard the flute playing along with my singing.
Well, I'm sure it was Kangyu accompanying your beautiful voice. Everybody loves your singing as well, you know. Well, Princess, I must be going now.
So soon. I wanted to find out more about Kangyu.
Princess, Kangyu is a cowherd, a servant of the king. He is in no position to associate with a princess. You shouldn't take such an interest in him.
But I was just...
Please, take care of yourself, Princess. I will be back again next summer.
Oh, Magpie, I will miss you very much. Well, you take care too, and do come back again.
I will, Princess. Until next summer. Farewell.
Magpie flew away into the sky. The princess went back to her weaving, but her mind kept wondering about this young flute player. When she heard the flute starting again, her curiosity became so strong she could not stand it any longer.
I would really like to meet this man. I must meet him just once. Lynn! Lynn!
She called out to her maidservant, who was to accompany her whenever the princess went out of the castle.
Where is she? Lynn! Lynn!
The princess wandered off looking for her maid, but could not find her anywhere.
Well, I guess I have to see if I can sneak out for a while.
She went out of the castle. As she followed the sound of the flute, she came to a river. She spotted a young man sitting by a cow playing the flute.
There he is. He must be Mr. Kangyu.
The princess walked up to the man.
Hello?
Kangyu stopped playing and turned to her.
I hope I didn't scare you. Are you Mr. Kangyu?
Oh, yes, my lady. I am Kangyu. What brings you here, my lady?
Your flute playing, of course. I am Shoujo. People call me the Weaving Princess.
You... the princess? Oh, please forgive me. I had no idea.
Oh, no. It's quite all right. I wanted to talk to you. I was fascinated by your flute and couldn't help coming out here to meet you. I always hear you play along with my singing.
So you are the one who sings so beautifully, with such a lovely voice. But pardon me, for heaven's sake, this is not a place for a princess to be. If anyone finds you out here alone with me, you will be in trouble.
Don't worry. No one saw me coming here. I want to hear you play. Please play for me. I'll sing along too.
The princess liked him right away. Kangyu was very attracted to this charming young princess also. Kangyu played the flute and the princess sang along. The beautiful music filled the air and the two young people fell in love with each other. But suddenly, Kangyu realized that time had passed.
Oh, Princess, perhaps you should be leaving now before anyone finds out. They might be looking for you. Here, I'll walk you to the castle.
Very well. But can I see you again tomorrow?
Maybe.
The princess went to the river to see Kenju every day. She watched him as he washed and tended the cows and sang when he played the flute. The time flew by quickly. But her daily outings couldn't stay unnoticed for very long. One day, their music was suddenly stopped by the king's voice. They turned around and saw the king himself standing right behind them.
Father!
Princess, what are you doing here?
Forgive me, Your Majesty. It is all my fault.
No, it is not his fault. I came here on my own.
Princess, I told you not to go outside the castle alone. You've been wasting time out here and neglecting your weaving. Kengyu is a cowherd. He's not in a social position to associate with you.
But Father...
You, Kengyu, how dare you lure her out here like this? Don't you know you are a servant?
I have no excuse, Your Majesty. It is all my fault. Please, do not punish the princess.
I will not allow you to see him again. Princess, come with me now.
No! Kengyu! Please, Father!
Princess!
The king ordered Kengyu away. Kengyu was moved to the other side of the river and told never to return again. The princess was heartbroken. She cried every day and couldn't do anything else. She couldn't weave, she couldn't sing, she could hardly eat. She just missed Kengyu so much, and the whole castle seemed to be depressed by her sadness. The king felt sorry for her too, but he was very firm about his decision. Seasons passed, and it was time for Magpie to return to the castle again.
Oh, there you are, Princess. I didn't hear you singing.
Oh, Magpie! You've been away so long. I was dying to see you.
Are you all right? You don't look very happy, Princess. What has happened?
I fell in love with Kengyu. We were so happy together. But my father found out, and he forbade us to see each other ever again. He sent Kengyu away to the other side of the river.
I'm sorry to hear that, Princess.
But I can't forget about him. I want to see him so much. I just have to see him again.
But you mustn't. The king's order must be obeyed.
I know. But Father can't order me not to love a person.
Magpie felt very sad to see the princess feeling so miserable and desperate. He really wished he could help her.
Well, Princess, there is a way to cross the river. I will gather up my friends, and we will make a bridge over the river with our wings. You can walk over the bridge and go meet Kengyu on the other side.
Oh, will you? That's wonderful.
But you must promise me that you will be back by evening, because I must leave on my patrol.
course. I promise. Oh, thank you, Magpie. Thank you so much.
Magpie and his friends spread their wings and made a bridge for the princess to cross the river. The princess found Kenyu standing on the other side in amazement.
Princess!
Kenyu! Oh, how I missed you.
They were so happy to see each other again. They talked and talked. They cried some, they laughed more. But the time passed quickly, and evening was approaching. Magpie came back to get the princess.
Oh, Magpie, can I stay a little longer?
Sorry, Princess. You really must go. I will return again next summer on the 7th day of the 7th month. Then we will make a bridge so you can see him again.
You will? On the 7th day of the 7th month?
I promise.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Magpie. Princess, I will be looking forward to seeing you next year on July 7th.
On July 7th. Very well. I will miss you, but at least I have something to look forward to. See you then, my love.
Take care, my princess.
Magpie helped the princess cross the river back home and went back on his patrol. The princess started weaving again. The happiness from seeing Kenju stayed with her, and the hope to see him again next year kept her spirits up. When Magpie returned the following year, he gathered his friends and made a bridge again as he had promised.
Here you go, Princess.
Thank you, Magpie. I can never thank you enough.
Observing the way the princess came alive after seeing Kenyu, the king gave in and granted her wish to see Kenyu every year on this one day. Magpie and his friends came back every summer on the 7th day of the 7th month and made the bridge so they could see each other. This love story, associated with 2 summer stars, came from China to Japan a long time ago. In Japan, children celebrate Tanabata on July 7th by decorating bamboo branches with strips of colorful paper. Traditionally, the bamboo tree is regarded sacred because of its strength and long life. Decorating it originally started as a dedication to Shokujo, the weaving princess, with a hope to excel in weaving and sewing. A tradition developed of writing wishes on these strips of paper and hanging them on the bamboo branches, hoping that God, the heavenly king, would grant their wishes just as Princess Shokujo was granted her wish after all.